morning. Our topic for today is about sum and product of the roots. But first, let us have the recall of your rules on the sign numbers. So today we need to refresh our mind of how to add integers and how to multiply integers. Now let us have your addition of integers. I have here first two examples. So these are what we call your unlike signs because one is positive, the other one is negative. Now again, how do we add your unlike sign? So again, we subtract the number. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Then we will take the sign of the bigger number. So 5 is bigger than 4. So the sign of 5 is negative. So therefore we have negative 1. Next, negative 3 plus 7. So again, they are unlike sign. So we are going to subtract 7 minus 3. We have 4. Then, the sign of the bigger number is positive. So therefore, the answer is positive 4. Now, how about in the like sign? If we encounter sign numbers having like sign like this one, so we are just going to add the number. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then, we copy the common sign. So their signs are negative. So the answer is negative 12. 6 plus 6, and they have also the same sign which is positive. So it is 6 plus 6, we have 12. And the sign of these two numbers are positive. So therefore, it is positive 12. Now, how about the multiplication? So the first two examples are what we call your unlike sign. So in multiplication, it doesn't matter who has the bigger number. Once you multiply your negative to a positive or different sign, so the answer is always a negative number. Negative 2 times positive 12, so we have 24. So unlike sign, so they are negative. So we have the product of negative. 7 times 3 is 21. They are unlike sign, so the answer is negative 21. In multiplying your like sign, the answer is always positive. Negative 6 times negative 5 is positive 30. And positive 4 times positive 8 is positive 32. So we are going to use this concept in sum and product of the roots. Now I have your equation, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We need first to find the roots of this equation. So I will think for the factors of positive 6. So I can have positive 3 times positive 2. I can also have negative 3 and negative 2. Positive 6 and positive 1. Negative 6 and negative 1. Then I am going to add the factors. So I will have 5, negative 5, positive 7, and negative 7. And I will look for the factors of this linear term, which is a positive 5. So I will use the factor 3 and 2. So therefore I have x plus 3 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then applying distributive property of equation property of equality. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 0. And the other one is x plus 2 is equal to 0. By transposition, we have x equal to negative 3 and x equal to negative 2. So these are our roots or solution. Now to find their sum, we are just going to add the roots. Negative 3 plus negative 2. So we have negative 5 based on our concept of our addition. They are like signs, so we are going to add, then copy the common sign which is a negative. Product. Negative 3 times negative 2. So negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 because they have common sign, so therefore we will use the positive.